If you don't want a certain thing to happen in your life, or you're afraid to manifest negative things, or you're just trying to avoid a circumstance, what you're doing is, and what's happening is, you're rejecting your feelings. You're basically saying to yourself that I don't want this thing to happen because my body cannot handle the emotion that comes with it. So what's happening is you are rejecting yourself. So if you think about it, it's not about the person that rejects you. It's not about the job that you get fired from. It's not about the manifestations that just didn't go to plan. What's happening is you are afraid, essentially, to feel, right? Because if we don't want certain things to happen, it's because we're afraid of what that thing is going to make us feel. So it's like, I don't want to be rejected from this person because being rejected from that person makes me feel not good enough. It makes me feel like I've been abandoned. So instead of focusing on the person, you come back to yourself because you're the only thinker in your reality. It's an invitation to come back to you. It's an invitation to come back to yourself. And so instead of blaming the person for leaving or blaming the person for rejecting you or not liking you enough, you work on your abandonment wound. So if you're wishing for certain things to not happen in your life, it's like, I don't want this thing to happen because if this thing happens, then what am I going to do? What you're actually saying is, I don't want this thing to happen because when this thing happens, it's going to make me feel a certain way. And I don't like that. But what's beautiful is you get to learn to transmute certain feelings. You get to learn, like, this is the point of life. This is why souls come on earth, is we are here to experience everything, including negative emotions. And if you understand, if you rewire your brain to trust yourself and to trust your body and to say, even though this thing is happening, I still love myself, I still accept myself, and I completely forgive myself. And it's okay. That's when you dissolve all fears, because essentially you're telling yourself that I don't care what happens. I'm able to find peace within myself because I'm the creator of my reality. I'm the thinker, I'm the feeler in my life. And so I'm not trying to avoid anything because I can learn to feel differently every single second, every single moment. And every single second is a blank slate, right? So you get to choose your reality every single second. When you can master that, and honestly, it's like, master is not even the word because it's really not that hard. But if you can learn that, you have found true freedom because nobody can take peace away from you. You always know exactly how to get you back into balance.